Hello guys and welcome to GamarSec channel. In this video, I'm gonna do a recon on this external BugBounty program. As you see here, this is the scope of the program, app and API and the public website of the program. As you see here, I started doing fuzzing on the API endpoints to find interesting endpoints. This is very useful when trying to find IDOR vulnerabilities as integration flow. Well, let's escape the 301 results and only focus on 200 results. Okay. Also, let's look for the Wayback Machine. Okay, nothing found. I have good fuzzing tips here. Also, check for version 1, also version 2 and version 3. You may ending up with good results. The Wayback Machine is taking a lot of time. No problem. Let's do it again. I'm using this awesome extension. It's very awesome. With one click, you will get the Wayback Machine endpoints of any subdomain, any domain. Also show hidden elements, enable, disable elements, and another features. Well, let's wait for this. Come back to fuzzing. Well, nothing found. Let's see another endpoint, version 3 for example, or version 2. Well, we have the Wayback Machine results. Okay. As you see here, we have authentication, endpoint, editor, and options and orders, interesting profile. Let's check all of this. The best way to find the endpoints for IDORs and broken access control vulnerabilities is fuzzing APIs. Well, nothing found. Let's check, for example, for orders, endpoint. Well, slash orders. I'm using my primary fuzzing word list w.txt, which you can find it here. In my repo, name it fuzzing word list. Well, it's here. w.txt. I had combined this word list from their search developed word list and many other word lists. Okay, I'm using this right now. Let's get back. Also, nothing found. For example, let's try version 3 here. Also here, I have some tips here to show you. For example, if you want to find operate direct parameters, you can use this HTTP as you see here. Domain, okay. There are many parameters. From here, you can easily find parameters to test them for operate direct flows, okay. Also, you can find emails using this. I found many emails using this way, like this. Blah blah blah. Okay, I think you got me. Also, you can find tokens endpoints, as you see. Also, you can type key. Also, for sensitive files like CSV, You may end up finding invoices, also Excel files like this. Let's see them. If they are sensitive info or something like this, as you see here, it is an Excel file or no sensitive data, normal, okay. Also, zip files, for example, this file. Let's see it has if it has sensitive. Whoa, it's huge, 88 megabyte. Let's download and see if we can find something interesting. NPM. Let's see. Also dot rar dot. I think you got me right. We had a lot of GS files here, as you see. Let's back to the fuzzy result. Nothing found. Well, let's try to fuzz the primary domain. Also, I will show you some tips in fuzzing here. First, we will do a normal fuzzing. Okay. Next, we will use the target or the company name in the fuzzing process. For example, like this. Sometimes you can find, for example, something like this backup, for example, config, for example. I think you got me. Okay, let's try this. Well, nothing. FF will use the name of the company and add the word list here. For example, shorten, backup, shorten, admin, and extra. Okay. Also here we can look for example GWT tokens. We have no one here. Okay. As you see, there's a lot of supplements. Also, you are undoing supplement integration using GoBuster to find unique subdomains. GoBuster. Well, sorry. Oh, problems here. Okay. That's the problem. Okay. But output white count. Okay. As you see here, now we are doing brute force against the main domain to find the subdomains. As I highlighted here, only app.shortgun and api.shortgun and the main public is in scope. But also, I'm advising you to test subdomains because you may ending up by finding a critical or high vulnerability in other subdomain, and I think they will accept it if it is a critical or high impact. Well, let's check them. This is just a simple recon without going deep in functionalities. We have functionalities here. login and sign up functionalities